Simply asking for a raise isn't enough to get you what you truly deserve. Stick with me until the end, because these strategies work best when applied together. Missing even one could mean missing out on that career transformation you're after. Step number 1. Deliver exceptional results. The first step to earning a salary raise is simple. Why does a company pay you at all? It's because you solve problems for them, right? Whether you're updating spreadsheets, managing projects, or even making sure that the conference rooms are clean. Every task you do contributes to the bigger picture of a company. You are a vital piece of that puzzle. But here's the catch. Just knowing this isn't enough. You need to make sure everyone else knows it too. How? By delivering exceptional results. Think of it like this. An economy class ticket and a first class ticket both get you from point A to point B, but the experience you get is worlds apart. In the first class, you get personal treatment, gourmet meals, and a comfy seat. In economy, you're cramped between strangers and the flight attendant barely looks at you just to avoid you. So at work, don't just do your job, go above and beyond. Be friendly, be reliable, deliver on time, and add those little touches that make your work unique and stand out. Make it clear that when it comes to your tasks, you are irreplaceable. Step number 2. Align personal goals with company goals. No matter how great you are at your job, don't fall into the trap of thinking that you are truly irreplaceable. To maintain a healthy balance between your job and your personal life, align your personal development goals with your company's objectives. For example, if you see your future in project management, show your organization how earning certifications like the PMP or the Prince 2 can boost productivity. They likely support your growth, and here is where it ties into your salary. When you are doing something for yourself, your motivation skyrockets, and that shows in your performance. Plus, this keeps you market ready. Regularly check out new job opportunities, potential new employers, or even consider launching your own business. You can stay sharp by taking on job interviews, even if you are not planning to switch jobs. Because it's a humbling feeling when you notice that other employers might even not be interested in your profile. Step number 3. Set boundaries. Draw clear lines between your personal and your professional life. We all know those overly social co-workers who are at every company event, making friends with everyone. Well, that can be fun. It can also make it harder to leave the company when the time comes. And it might even lead people to wonder, does this person have a life outside of work? Step number 4. Maximize productivity by cutting wasted time. We've all procrastinated in our personal or professional lives, but think about it. How productive are you really at your work? Are you giving it your all every minute? Cutting out wasted time and maximizing your productivity will not only help you grow, but also keep stress at bay by avoiding unnecessary overtime. Time is incredibly valuable, and we often don't realize it until it's too late. I will share with you an old saying. A student repeating a class knows the worth of a year. A mother who gives birth early knows the worth of a month. A student cramming for exams knows the worth of a week. A couple saying goodbye at the airport knows the worth of an hour. Someone who missed their flight knows the worth of a minute. And someone who just escaped a life-threatening situation knows the worth of a second. So make every second count towards your life goals. Step number 5. Be confident in your skills. This step is where everything comes together. By now, you've learned to solve problems exceptionally, align your personal and career goals, set clear boundaries, and boost your productivity. These steps naturally build confidence. You've created a space where you are not dependent on others, and have clear personal goals driving you forward. Confident people are more attractive as they know to navigate their lives. Stick to these 5 steps and you'll soon find the path to unlock your full potential. You won't need to ask anyone for a raise. Your company will see it as a privilege to have you, and they recognize your value without you needing to say a word. So, how have you successfully landed a raise so far? Share your tips in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on social media for even more insights. The links are in the description box down below. See you in the next one. Bye.